Excuse me, sorry. I got like a 10 controls in there for the electric scooter right there. Electric motorcycle, whatever you guys kind of call it. And I have plenty parts for everything. So I had to wait right here. I had to wait a couple hours. That's just crazy. My transmission is broken. Man, it's scared to me, you know, because I don't have money. I'm homeless and I have no benefit for nowhere. I don't have money. I don't have benefit for anywhere. What I do is subscribing and whatever doesn't matter. They keep me alive. And when I back it out, sometimes it's kind of hard, but I'm stuck now right here. You know, it's like 3-4 hours right here. I don't know how long it's gonna take to the transmission start working again. Fuck, I hate this thing. Maybe I'm gonna have to see it forward and move over there. I don't know. So I have to be out of the way. So these people, I'll stay here and I'll stay over there. Stop. Find the house. This ride because give me too much problem. Yeah, it's hard to be. You know? Yeah. Well, man, what can I do? Just start calling the people about. Because I'm gonna be for a while right here, sitting right here. For weird people. They fucking smoke all kind of fucking drugs. They work in the fucking warehouses. That kind of shit, you know? So they're gonna look for me because they don't like me because whatever. Looking for some fucking any fucking little thing to bitch about me. Okay. What does this people? Well, have to wait. So wow, right here is stuck in. If I can move the trailer, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to get out from here sooner or later. But then it take me 2 hours and a half. 2 hours and a half. Should get again. Kind of weird. I hear this new move is kind of weird. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my yes? I'm in your way or what? Look at me weird. He's looking at me weird. You know, Brad Monkey's like to preach about whatever. Fuck you. What? Am I coming for you? What? Motherfucker, I'm not scared no man. I'll go expose my name. Motherfucker. Okay? And we should broke whatever and fly money. Okay? People, you want to be in contact? And still a couple hours, 3 hours, I don't know. I don't care. I will wait until I move from over there. So I have to move from here. Now, I was like at the wait, so